Hello everyone, today we are at Vadgaon Sheri and this is a new project. It is a very prime project and we are at the 3 BHK sample flat of 1100 square feet carpet area. So let's see the sample flat. This is the entrance lobby area and this is your living dining area. So this side will be your living room. Living dining is separate. This side is the living room, living area. This side can be your TV unit. And this side will be the dining area. Attached to your living dining, you have the balcony. Now this balcony will be covered from top. There is no odd even concept in this project, so privacy is fully maintained. Now we'll see the first bedroom of this apartment, which is just beside your entrance lobby. This is the guest bedroom. A very spacious one. Here you can place the wardrobe, the cupboard. This side is the attached washroom. And this is the attached standing balcony, which is again covered from top. Just beside your dining area you have kitchen having L-shaped granite platform. Also we have a parallel platform to this. In the kitchen we are providing you lower cabinets, just like this. So the color combination is perfectly matched with your platform, kitchen platform. Very well designed. This is the attached dry balcony. Now we'll move ahead. This is the first bedroom, or you can say the second bedroom if we consider the guest bedroom. This you can call it as a children bedroom. Here you can place the wardrobe. And this side will be the window. Just in front of this room you have the common washroom. So the tile selection, color combination, CP sanitary fittings, everything will be same except the furniture part. And this is the third bedroom of this flat and the master bedroom. A very huge master bedroom. It also has a balcony which will be again covered from top. and opposite to this you have the attached washroom. So this is a very premium project. It is located at Vadgaon Sherry, and for this we are having some good offers for you. So please contact us as soon as possible. Please like this video, share to your friends and relatives, and subscribe our channel for further updates. We are waiting for your feedbacks and responses. Thank you so much for watching this video.